Just a note about comments and how you should always include them in both your programming pages like Python and that, but also in your HTML pages and CSS and JavaScript. Do you know this? Say for example, putting in a comment, it's just a matter of the angle bracket, the exclamation mark, dash dash, and to complete it, dash dash and angle bracket back again. And so this, say for example, is our navigation bar up at the top of the page. Then you might have here for what we just did, which was the page information. And in the next video, I'm going to set up the div container to house the form elements. And in fact, I'll do that and get it ready for the next video. So to set this up, I'm going to put in a div element, and inside the div element I'm going to put a form element, and I'm going to center everything in here as well. So we've got the stuff ready to go in here. I'll just put a hashtag down there. And I'm also going to give this particular section a class name and a class attribute, so I'll be able to target it in CSS and maybe style it a bit better. And I'm just going to call this container. Maybe I should call it form container. Would be a nicer name there, form underscore container. And yeah, so see you in the next video where we will carry out some styling. So we'll say the form controls go here. Yeah, okay.